Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Victorinox Evolution 11. And this is one of those knives that's kind of the hybrid knife after Victorinox absorbed Wenger. And you have some of the aspects of the Victorinox knives and you have some of the aspects of the Wenger knives. And so let's take a look at this one. Now this one, well, first of all, as you can see, one of the differences is it has the contoured scales. If you compare, the traditional Victorinox knives have the smooth scales, and the Evolutions have the contoured scales where, you know, it's like has sort of spots for your fingers. Now, this one was advertised as having the exact same tools as the Tinker, only instead of it being a 91mm knife, it's an 85mm knife like the Wengers. And luckily, I have a Tinker on hand where we can compare. So first of all, as you can see, the Tinker is a little bit longer than the Evolution 11. It also has the Tinker has like the metallic shield, and this one has, it kind of looks like it's sort of a printed on shield. Can't really tell. It doesn't feel like there's not any texture to it. There's texture to the metal shield, but not this one. So I don't know. That's neither here nor there, I guess. So these are supposed to have the same tools according to what I saw on Amazon, but that's not exactly 100% right. So let's take a look. So first of all, you have the knife blade, and it's about, I want to say it's about 2.5 inches. Let's see. Yeah, it's, the blade part is not 2.5 inches, but if you look at the whole thing, like it actually gets to 2.5 inches. Now, the first difference is they have different blade shapes. The Victorinox has a more straight blade, and the Evolution, well, they're both Victorinoxes, but the Evolution has a little bit wider blade, and there's like a little bit more curve to it. So you got the large blade. Now, the part where there's actually like a difference is, can't get it out. The Evo 11 has a little nail filey thing, like you saw with the Cadets, and which you might get with the normal classic knives. And the Tinker has the small knife blade. So they are different. They have different tool sets. Now, the Evo 11 has the can opener, and the Tinker also has the can opener, and they both have Victorinox style can openers. This one is a little, it looks a little more elongated, kind of, in a weird sort of way, or maybe not as thick. I mean, they're subtly different, but there's a tiny difference between them. So, you got that. You have the bottle opener screwdriver, just like on the Tinker. And again, there's a teeny bit of difference in the way they look. The one on the Evo 11 is a little bit shorter. So, it has the screwdriver and kind of pseudo wire stripper thing, just like the other ones. And on the back, they both have the Phillips head screwdrivers, and they're pretty similar. There's maybe a teeny bit of difference, but it's not enormous. So you got that. And then the last tool is doesn't want to come out. The last tool is the awl, the awl/reamer, and this one, it has been upgraded from the old Wenger one that didn't have any kind of edge to it, and it is pretty much the same as the normal Victorinox one, or the original Victorinox one. And toothpick and tweezers. And this knife doesn't have the Wenger style where they're sort of inverted, where they're on the inside and you lift them out, as opposed to on the outside where you pull them out like that. So, kind of interesting. It's an interesting little knife. If you're looking for a tinker style knife, but you maybe want a teeny bit shorter, I mean, the difference in size, it does actually matter. I mean, it's a kind of a noticeable size, which seems really weird, because it's 91 versus 85 millimeters. So 6 millimeters does actually make a little bit of a difference. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are you diehard original Victorinox tinker, or do you think you would try the Evo 11? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if there's any suggestions for anything you think I should check out, or if you have any points to make about either of these Swiss Army knives, let me know. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day. Oh, before I forget, this one weighs like 1.9 ounces. It's a relatively light knife. So anyway, I hope y'all have an excellent day.